California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married, they're all settling down, so I lay here, watch the ceiling fan go round and round. And it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. And it kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow. Haven't seen my twin brother, I keep missing his calls. It's funny just how easily a family can drift apart. I'm finally getting married to an angel in human form, but I still think about Nashville. We're staying here the right call. It's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. And it kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow. But it won't last, like you watching your life, waiting for the good part. And what kills me is I've been avoiding the happy ending.
Trying to find the reasons you won't find her pretty, 'cause I am insecure. My looks been needing more, and I try to find the reasons that you would stay with me, 'cause I am insecure. I'm not an intellectual. Are you just with me 'cause you need a body? Am I somebody to you? Can I be somebody you want to? Are you just with me 'cause you need a body? Am I somebody to you? Can I be somebody you want to? Wanna be the one you wanted more. Wanna be the one that you adore. Do you see a long road with me? Do you only see me as a body? Trying to make you close the door. Give me everything I'm waiting for. Let me know the things you love about me. Love me like I'm more than just a body. Are you just with me 'cause you need a body? Am I somebody to you? Can I be somebody?
I'm packing my things to prepare for the summer. Moved into the back house of my landlord's mother. You came on the first night to see what you're missing. Hung out with my roommate, told jokes in the kitchen, then crashed on a newly made bed. We messed up the sheets, and you got in my head. So I drew on the walls with a crayon, like a kid who can't understand how bad he wants it. The drip in the faucet, I'm not getting back my security deposit. That I'll see you again, I might not though. I could take the Amtrak out to Chicago. I'll walk you home and the sun's always beating. And you tried to kiss me, but my nose is bleeding. It drips right down your chin, and your shirt sticks to your skin. So I drew on the walls with a crayon, like a kid who can't understand how bad he wants it. The drip in the faucet, I'm not getting back my security deposit. I'm exhausted, but I'm never going to sleep. Not while you're with me. So I drew on the walls with a crayon, like a kid who can't understand how bad he wants it. The drip in the faucet, I'm not getting back my security deposit. Nobody knows a thing. Everyone disagrees. Tired of pretending. Don't know what to believe. All I know is I'm better when I'm with you and I'm not alone. Better when I'm with you, 'cause you feel like home. Better when I'm with you, yeah, that's what I know. It's all I know, all I know. Everyone picks a side, but nobody knows what's right. It's all a big lie, and I'm just too tired. All I know is I'm better when I'm with you and I'm not alone. Better when I'm with you, 'cause you feel like home. Better when I'm with you, yeah, that's what I know. It's all I know,
you.